This is the Tree of Life, Season 6, Chapter 1. In this episode, we will be talking about the pathways underlying the decoupling process, as it pertains to dislodging the oxytocin-mediated equilibrium. In the past few episodes, we talked about how the breathing exercises indicated in the complete series involve an initial release of adrenaline and cortisol, followed by a process of decoupling manifesting as parasympathetic activity. In this episode, I would like to explain the pathways underlying the decoupling process. To start off, endogenous opioids such as endorphins, adenosine, bradykinins, dynorphins, enkephalins, are produced by the body in response to pain and other forms of injury or insult. However, recent research has shown that certain endogenous opioids play a role in modulation of heart activity. Specifically, these opioid peptide receptor pathways have been shown to reduce the uptake of catecholamines by the heart, including adrenaline. In addition to this fact, this pathway of endogenous opioids also is capable of inducing a state called ischemic preconditioning. Ischemic preconditioning is a response to a short-term hypoxic insult, which prepares the heart for a longer period of hypoxia. It is likely that in the hard reset portion of the breathing exercises, what is in fact happening is that the body is being stimulated to produce endogenous opioids, which are decoupling the heart rate from catecholamines, or adrenaline, produced by the adrenal glands. In addition, this hard reset, produced by a short-term period of hypoxia, is linked to this state of ischemic preconditioning. All of this makes sense, since during the second phase of the breathing exercises, the body experiences oxygen deprivation, or hypoxia, for a brief period of time, which causes local regulation of the heart by endogenous opioids, instead of by adrenaline. This means that the oxytocin-cortisol-mediated equilibrium is only effective in conditioning our behavior when the heart rate is linked to adrenaline and cortisol release. That's the end of the podcast for today.